Hello everyone, this is Julian from Ken and Coffee, and today we have a SMEG home espresso machine with us in the shop. It's quite big because these machines are actually built into, say, counters in your kitchen or anywhere that you could slide the machine out and put it back in. And so, yeah, pretty much it had came in because, as you can see here, this is the original frame. You can see on the edges and also underneath there you are. Underneath the frame, it was all tattered up, so they bought a new frame and then they asked us to replace it. So all we did was replace the frame on this machine, and now we're going to test it. First we're going to get some coffee. Alright, now that we have coffee in the machine, we're just going to do a double here, one standard coffee. Really just going to test if everything works after the installation, because removing this panel is a lot of stuff that you have to remove. Mainly there's 3 boards all stacked up against each other that all disconnect separately that you have to remove, and then also the wire which these 2 knobs go to is connected on the last board, the one right behind the screen. And so to remove this panel you have to go through all that, and then also just to get to these, and then of course remove each single button at once. And yeah, and then you could get to removing this panel off. It's quite a lot of job. Plus you have quite many screws on the back side of this just to hold the thing in place, which is really good, but removing them is kind of hard to do. It's a tedious job. And so look at that coffee right there, though. Really good coffee. Now we're gonna test. I believe testing steam is one of these. Oh, that's turning off. Well, there it goes, rinsing. Turn it on real quick. So since we don't have the milk function on this machine, you have to actually swap this out for the actual carafe. We are able to do the hot water because this is the hot water tap. So we're just going to press OK, which is, I believe, just this button. And hot water will come out. Again, if you do want milk or steam on this machine, you do have to get the carafe or a variant of it, and then you would remove this, plug it back in, which is why this didn't operate. But yeah, that's about it for this machine. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.